Welcome to Behind the Build. I'm your host, Stephanie Couch from Grit Blueprint. Today, we're in Acworth, Georgia with Lummus Supply Company, a 101-year-old fifth-generation building materials business. They are known for supplying the finest homes in Atlanta with specialty products. From custom engineered wood products to floor-to-ceiling windows and multi-panel sliding pocketing doors, Lummus does it all. First, we're going to take a real load to a job site. Let's go behind the build. You actually see customers probably more than anybody else in the business.
Yeah.
Every day, you're dealing with the good and the bad.
Yeah.
When things go wrong, you're the kind of business card of the whole company.
Yeah, because once I get to a job site and they're missing something, a piece of material, some type of material, like I'm the first one.
Yeah.
From there, I gotta find a solution for what's going on. Call back to the store, get it all handled. We bring it back, take care of it, whatnot. The main thing is communicating with them and helping them get to, a solution that they need.
Yeah. All right, so I'm seeing this one on the left. This is where we're going?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
this is where we are.
This is not for the faint of heart.
No.
I'm with Kevin. You are the VP of Sales at Lummus Supply. We're here in this amazing Ecraft home here in Cumming, Georgia. You guys have some really cool Western window stuff here going on in this sliding door, and then you've got a matching window. All the sight lines line up. Makes me very happy.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about how you guys work with custom home builders like Ecraft to make something like this come to life.
Well, we start with the process of the plans that they get from their architect, but then we take that a step further and try to really find what they want or what their clients want. And we're seeing a trend for floor-to-ceiling windows, much taller. Sierra Pacific now has the capability for that. We can go 10, 12 foot tall on a window. We can go 8 foot high on operable casement, which is really new. That's given our customers and their clients a lot more daylight.
So this is actually a model home for this development, and so we really wanted to be able to showcase some of the really cool things that we can do. We have sort of this repeating element of the arches that you'll see kind of through the house.
Yes.
And of course, we wanted to bring in as much light as possible, like in this beautiful little dining nook.
I love the millwork component here. This door and window combo on both sides here is just stunning and so much natural light. This is the showstopper in the home. Triple sliding door here, and you've got this triple window where the style lines actually measure and are perfectly symmetrical, which makes my little OCD brain happy. And I haven't seen this. A lot of times you see millwork that doesn't match like this. This is not common. So tell me about this whole setup here with this window and door.
Well, this is really a credit to our partnership with Lummus. We had this vision, we communicated that to our rep, and I let her know that it was extremely important that those line up perfectly. And so she worked with the manufacturer to make sure that we had CAD and that it was going to turn out beautifully, and it did. I really love working with Lummus because I love our partnership. You know, when you work with someone and they just know exactly what your product is and what you're looking for, we get in a step where I can depend on Lummus and they know what we want, and it works out really nicely.
We are in a magnificent home here in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is by Crownline Homes and supplied by Lummus Supply.
Yes.
And this room is the master bedroom looking out of our beautiful pool. We have got 4 perfect Sierra Pacific windows behind us that you guys supplied. Tell me a little bit about this home and what this project's been like.
Like most of our high-end custom homes, it starts with the architectural plans, and then we help the customer with different options. Sierra Pacific was the best fit for this because of their capabilities and the size and scope of the home.
And you guys actually have a lot of options for windows and doors. You don't have just a one-size-fits-all or 2 vendors to choose from. Tell me a little bit about why that's important.
It's really so important because of the customer preferences are so different homeowner to homeowner, particularly at this price point. So we do have the availability for Anderson, Pella, Lincoln, Windsor, and Sierra Pacific in the clad lines, and then in the aluminum lines, Western and Quaker.
This is the showstopper area in this home. So big, huge, great room, beautiful foyer. You've got iron doors here. And then over here on this side, you've got a Western window door system. Tell me a little bit about this.
It's a multi-slide stacking and pocketing system. So these doors will pocket into both of those walls.
Wow. And all of this is something that, again, your team is looking at the plans, helping figure out what product line and what sizes, all the colors, everything like that.
Exactly. This area was actually drawn for a 12-foot opening, and we went to, I believe it's 18 with pocketing on both sides. So we have to sometimes play with the builder about how we can move walls and have space to allow for that pocketing system to just open this space to the outside.
You're in a beautiful home here that you built. You are doing an amazing job here. Tell me a little bit about who you are and what you do.
Sure, my name's Robert King, and I run a construction management company called Crownline Homes. We build from the ground up all the way through the design, construction, and build aspects of the project. We have an elite team of very skilled designers, architects, and project managers that it takes to put this together. I can't even begin to explain the talent and service levels of the teams, multiple suppliers, everything from windows to brick to roof to cabinets. And we have a system of those partners. We do not call them subcontractors. They are actually business partners that come in and help us create the specialties of the wood trim finishes, the hoods, all of that getting created and then staged and ordered at the same time.
Yeah.
Our suppliers are instrumental in making sure the home performs at the highest level. With Lummus, they've been great. They carry a myriad of products, and their expertise and service level is just through the roof.
I'm here in Acworth, Georgia with Will Lummus, the CEO of Lummus Supply, a 101-year-old building materials business right here in Georgia. And we're here in the middle of this amazing showroom. You've got decks, you've got tiny homes. So I want you to show me around.
Absolutely.
I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the market right now with big and bigger on
Biggest.
doors, windows,
Yeah.
the biggest. Everything is getting larger, all sliding. A lot of things are pocketing. This one's not necessarily, but tell me about that. Like, what are you seeing in the homeowner market coming in with these big luxury homes with windows and doors, which is what y'all really do best?
They want bigger. They want more light, more natural light. So they want the thinner lines, less metal, less show, give me more glass to give me more of that natural light coming into my home.
Yeah, and you guys have been here a long time. You've seen a lot of product innovations, and you're actually showing a lot of what people want to see on the floor here. So you've got all different railings. This is Trex.
This is all Trex right here. We got TimberTech that we can go look at over there, along with showcasing some Hardie siding on these. So not only are these tiny homes just for windows and doors to give you what it will look like, we're also showcasing architectural panels with an engineer division here, the two tiny homes being showcased. We have builders who bring their clients here so we can go over their engineered wood plans, go over their windows and doors.
So this is really a great place for people to come look at what they want, touch it, feel it, see what the quality is.
Open it, shut it.
Yeah, I love this.
Lifelike.
So you said this one is TimberTech?
This one's TimberTech, so we give you a Trex deck over there, TimberTech deck and railing over here to show you the two different choices.
Yep.
You get to walk on it, touch it, feel it, tap dance on it.
It's dancing approved.
Dance approved. My grandkids love to dance on
I
them.
bet. And we're in your Acworth store, but you actually have 5 locations.
The original was in our Atlanta. We have Acworth, we have Alpharetta, Roswell, and Oakwood.
I'm here with Todd Gwynn. I want to talk a little bit today about engineered wood and what you do here at Lummus, because you're not just selling the product, you're actually doing a lot of things on the front end to help builders know what to use, your spec-in jobs. Tell me what we're looking at here and kind of how you work with people on especially homes like this, which looks like a monster.
This house is roughly 29,000 square foot.
Wow.
The architects will submit the plans to the homeowners and the builders and then release them over to either the engineer of records or, in this case, the lumber suppliers. And at that point, the software that we use does full 3D modeling, as you can see. and it will go from the roof all the way to the foundation. And we'll specify the actual products that we have or that we can special order. We can cut through the house and give homeowners, builders different perspectives.
And this software is telling you, okay, this needs to be a certain size, this needs to be a certain size because of the load that it's carrying.
We can also put holes, which, as you've seen in our facility, we have a Boise SawTek to put the holes in. So the software
And that's what's
will.
drawn here, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So we'll actually put the holes in where they're allowed, so the builders know for the HVAC purposes or electrical. This specific job, I think, has 1,200 holes in it. So it's about a 2-day production cycle on the saw because there's so many holes.
1,200 holes in one I-joist plan, that's what Todd just told me.
Yeah.
That's an insane amount. And you guys can do that right here in this saw.
That saw does it all. We're able to design, consult, meet with the builder here, go over the layout, cuts it, puts the holes in it. Just 2 people operate this, so very user friendly, all computerized. It goes down here, gets cut there, and then it falls down there, and that's where they'll strap it in.
This is Reid Lummus.
Nice to meet
He's
you.
about to give me a tour of this millwork facility you have here.
Absolutely.
And you guys are shipping all of your doors and windows really out of this.
100%.
And you've got a showroom, and you're about to have a brand new showroom here.
Hopefully in about 6 months, we'll have our new showroom for all of our customers, for all their needs, so yes.
All right, let's go see it. Windows and doors are a very technical category. There's a lot of
100%.
options, and you guys have a ton of things that builders can come in here, look at, pick. So tell me a little bit about your windows and doors that you sell here.
Okay, so Sierra Pacific is one of our major lines, very popular with a lot of our custom builders here in Atlanta. Double hungs, casements. They offer bifolding doors, multi-slide doors.
Yeah, and a lot of what you're selling here is aluminum on the outside and then this beautiful wood on the inside.
That is correct.
This is such a good place to show it because it shows kind of what you're looking at here. This interior wood is perfect for something that, you know, is a
Paint
little
or
bit...
stain,
That's
natural
right.
paint.
Yeah.
And then, of course, if you do want an upgrade, Quaker is a wonderful line for that. 100% aluminum window on the inside and the outside.
Yeah.
So we do have plenty of options.
This is their city line, and Quaker Windows and Doors. They're actually out of Missouri. I love Quaker, they're family-owned business, and so is Sierra Pacific. Love
Great
both
for
of
that
their
commercial
lines.
grade, which hasn't gone out of style yet. Still
Yeah.
very, very popular. So.
And you guys also have vinyl.
Absolutely. Vinyl is still a great option. I like to say vinyl is final.
Yeah.
You know, you get the color you want. It's, you know, you get white, you get black, and honestly, some of the best windows I've had in my houses have been vinyl, so I'm not ashamed to sell vinyl either.
Well, I want to go see where all the magic happens, so let's go out to the shop.
Absolutely.
It's my favorite place. You guys have been in business 101 years.
101 years celebrated.
You're part of the family.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what it's like working with your family.
It's never a dull moment, as you can imagine. But no, wouldn't trade it for the world. Learned from some of the best with my grandfather, my uncle, my dad, my brother. We've got cousins. Like I said, we're fortunate to have such a close knit and to get along as well as we do.
One thing I want to ask you about is, what do homeowners and builders really care about? When they come in here and you're talking about it,
Right.
What are they asking for? What matters the most to them?
It all boils down to what they see, what they feel. You know, you can't look at a catalog. They love having the showroom that they can touch, feel, crank open a window, lift open a window. Colors and everything are going to be about the same.
Yeah.
You know, we can show them the options, but they go highly off our recommendations.
Yeah, which is why it's so important that you guys know what's coming, what's
100%.
out there, and also you know feedback from your customers of how it's doing in the field.
Right.
So we talked about the new showroom, and this is where it's going to be. So this is a big area here. I don't know how many square feet this is.
We're going to call it 50 by about 40.
Okay,
So
and the vision here is all of this is going to be windows and doors and
100%.
all the different brands showcased and beautiful displays.
Our thought is to have the best showroom in Atlanta, Georgia. We are not going to hold back any expense. We're asking our vendors, we're asking you of the world, what do we need to make this the #1 showroom in Atlanta?
Some of these houses are hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars worth of windows and doors and casings. And if you're investing that, you want to see it.
1,000%. Not just the small windows and doors that are in there. We're going to have the big swinging doors, the bifolding doors that are the wow factor in the back of the houses that really sell the house.
And it's hard to know all of these different options. There's pocketing, there's bifolding, so you want to see the functioning of that
And we're going to
figure
have
out what you want in your home.
And we'll have them all in here. So we're hoping to have it up and going by the end of the year, 6 months away. So we'll keep you posted.
So we are getting towards the end of the day here.
Yes.
But I just noticed that you have stuff staged for tomorrow.
for deliveries
and
tomorrow.
You've got trucks ready to go with some interior door package, it looks like. You've
Yes.
got racks here with interior doors ready to go. There's a lot of logistics that goes into the lumber, hardware, millwork, all of those things that have to coordinate together for a house package. And your logistics is really important. We did a ride along with your team earlier, and we were actually talking about your operations team on your driver's side is like your #1 business card for people.
Yes.
When Will Lummus is not there. How do you get that culture to where they represent you and your company the way you want it to be represented?
Well, we tell all of our employees, we're a team. This whole company is not ran by just me, not ran just by my cousin Hardie, my brother Reid. It is ran by 90 other people. Everybody is just as important as the CEO. Everybody's the CEO. Our drivers are the CEO of their trucks. And a lot of times our drivers have more interaction with our customers than I actually. So we explain to them how important their job is and that they're a huge part of our success.
Thank you for showing me a little bit behind the scenes. I love that you're keeping it all in the family and the extended family of the other 90 people you have here. So I can't wait to see what you guys continue to do here, and thank you for taking me behind the build.
Thank you.